Good morning everyone. If you're hopping on, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. Happy Friday. Hope you all are enjoying. Started to getting ready for the weekend. This week, what is it like? I have few other plans to finish before the new year, so we'll be busy with that. I know once what is it like new year starts, we all will have a big list. I'm yet to make it, so I need to make my what is it like I like to do my vision boards. So if you're hopping on, say hi. And I wanted to talk about my eye look first, and I have picked few colors, and for my lip look I will talk about it too. And for the basic things, I think I have covered it in most of my what is it like uh, my eye look videos. It's always natural tan to color correct. So whether you do an eye look, or whether you what is it like new to the eye look, or whether you don't want to do an eye look, but still you can always use. Hi Jayashree, good morning. See what I used. Tick, 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 tick. I matched, it's exactly went with my sari. So I used your bangles today. Hi Tanya, good morning. It's been so long since I heard from you. Thank you for hopping on. And so natural tan is what is it like something everyone can use, whether you want to use it as a concealer or under eye corrector, or even as I said to just to color correct. You can always use natural tan. It's one of the limited edition and it's a sold out shade, so I just have last few left. Even I need to save it for myself, so I just have few left to finish it off. And I always like to use rustic brown for my eyebrows. um, if you want, you can do onyx shadow sense, or you can even do our pencils. So either way you can use something to just fill in your eyebrows. My eyebrows are full because of COVID. I haven't gone for my threading at all. Oh, that's okay, Tanya. I really enjoy your food post because I sometimes what is it like slack on it. Like, I mean, I still cook, but what I do is like I try to stitch 2 days at least, because with Cloudy and my business, and since they are home, I try to do that way. And but I really enjoy your plating style and how you mix and match things. So that is the one. And for today's eye look, I went with all matte colors. I didn't have, if you see, I had red, I had burgundy, but if you see, one is too dark, one is too light. So I mixed these two shadow sense colors to get the darker brown to match the sari. Thank you, Jayashree. I was like, I couldn't talk to you also. Like, I will call you sometime this weekend or something. I know you are also busy with the millet thing, so I will call you over the weekend. So so that is another what is it like advantage with the shadow sense. Since being cream to powder, you can always mix, like how we do lip sense colors. You can always mix them and make your own shade. So if you see, I have made a shade which is little darker than this, but it's lighter than the burgundy. So that's the shade I have used for overall. And I have used Americano just to in the crease. That's my favorite shade that's sold out. I hope they bring back Americano as the permanent color. I know we have rust, but still Americano is my all-time favorite. And I have used the new buttercream shimmer in my inner corners. Whenever I do an eye look, I always prefer to use the shade in my inner corners, because that way the attention will be brought into the eye. So that's the one I have used. It's the shade that I showed yesterday, so it's a new shade that came in. And I have used dusk shimmer as my blush for today, because I wanted to stay in more of red burgundy kind of shades. And so far I think I have used many times as what is it like black eyeliner on the top and eye pencil. But today I have used the black brown pencil on my upper lid, as well as on my waterline. So I like to use it whether it's been smudged or as an eyeliner. So it's so creamy to apply, and it's like it melts so nicely so that you can just draw it very easily, whether it's a top or as a kajal. So this is the one I have used. So so far that's the one I have used for my eye look, and I have always used my 3-in-1 primer and the what is it, like a non-waterproof mascara for today. So that's the one I have used. And usually when I do an eye look that is darker, previously I used to prefer colors like very neutral kind of shades where I can keep it, one is subtle whereas one is more of a smokier eye look. I like nude pink, velvet, where gingerbread, bella or nude honey. That used to be my what is it, like a go-to. I always used to do. But for today's look, I'm going to do a little different. I'm going to do Broadway bronze. You can see it goes really well, but it has little bit of shimmer to it, like more of a pearly consistency. So I'm going to top it with matte looks to go with my matte eye look. So that's the color I have picked. So usually I I try to what is it, like ask you for suggestions, but today I thought I will show you how this will coordinate with the eye look. And today it's a very simple cotton saree. Actually I've been wanting to wear it for so long, because I picked this particularly for this blue shade. I never had a sky blue like this actually. So if you are new to Lipsons, always make sure you wipe your lips clean. You don't want any food particles or any of the makeup. If you see, I don't know whether you can see it. You can see there is makeup from a foundation. So I always make sure to clean it well. That way the Lipsons can bond really well with the lips. And the next thing is always making sure to shake your Lipsons tube well, because what it does is it's going to mix the color well. You can hear the sound. There is a ball that is inside, because Lipsons doesn't have any chemicals added to mix the shade. So this way it will help to stay the color, the pigment really well. So just make sure to shake it for some time, and always scrape your bond really well, because you don't want to do any thin layers. You want the layers to be as thin as possible, because that is going to really make your Lipsons last longer. And you're going to do 3 thin layers. I'm going to make my first layer, and I'm going to do one, what is it, like from one side to other side. You don't want to go up and down. Think like it's a marker. So you don't want to go, by going back you will be erasing the color. So make sure you go in one direction, and just make sure to do it. So I'm going to do my first layer. This is Broadway bronze. My lips are little bigger, so I like to do in 2 parts. That way I can cover them well. The part that is inside is called your waterline. So make sure you do the waterline too. That way it looks, the lip will look fuller actually. So this is my first layer. So if you are new to Lipsons and you don't want the color to look darker, you can even leave it with 1 layer and just seal it with glossy. But you will not get the 4 to 18 hours where that you get with 3 layers, because with 3 layers it is made in a purpose to stay longer, because the first layer is just to seal the lips, the second layer is the actual color, and the third layer is one that is going to get in contact with the environment. So that way it is going to make the color last longer by doing 3 layers. So I'm going ahead with my second layer here. If you are hopping on, say hi, and how is your Friday? I saw many snow pictures actually. I really miss snow, but NC anyway, we are not going to get snow, I don't think, but it's cold this year. We get to go out by 6 o'clock every day for cloudy, so it's still cold. Hope the schools will close by next week. For us, my son has only Monday school. Then the whole week he'll be off from 22nd to 4th. So that's a long break. Even I am looking forward for that. And uh, when when you are doing layers, make sure to leave like 20-30 seconds in between. Previously I used to show that you need to you can touch it, that how it's dried, but these days I know it's dried, so you don't need to. Once you start doing thin layers, it will it will dry out faster actually. So this is my final third and final layer here. With Lipsons, you can see that the lips are really hydrated. It even though it's a liquid lipstick, it won't be drying at all. It will be really moisturizing. That's why we add our gloss on top of it to seal the color. So that's 3 layers of Broadway bronze. This is what to say, like, it's a really darker crimson kind of a shade. Crimson will be matte, whereas this one is more of a little bit shimmery, glittery, frosty shade. So if you love these kind of maroonish shades, this is a very good one to pick. And with Lipsons anyway, you can layer it and do plenty of combos, so this will act as a really nice color that can deepen any shades, like how I did my burgundy to make the red darker. Similar way, the Broadway bronze can help to deepen any color. So I'm going to seal the Lipsons with my matte gloss. When you pick a Lipsons color, you need to pick a gloss to seal it. So it is like a 3-part system, because without the gloss you will not be able to enjoy the Lipsons color, because your lips will stick. I am used to talking this way, so you don't find it odd that my lips are sticking, but if you talk, you can feel that your lips will be sticking and you will not be able to smudge it in between. So make sure, if you are ordering online, whether you are picking from me, make sure you always pick any shade of your choice, and you can always pick a like a gloss of your choice. If you are picking a pigmented gloss, obviously the color of the Lipsons will show a little bit different, whereas when you pick a clear gloss in white, then your Lipsons will show as is. That's it. So now the color is sealed. I always make sure to add the corners, because that's where you miss out, and that's where it contacts with the saliva and everything. You can see once it's sealed, the color will not come out at all. So that's the one for today, and I have sent all the packages so far, I think, except one from Thanksgiving, not even Thanksgiving, I think one from afterwards did not reach yet, because I know this month the USPS is swamped with so many orders. So the orders that went from my side, they all reached. I'm always on tracking and giving you updates. So far mine never had much of the delay. Hi Veena, good morning. Thanks for hopping in. Thank you, Veena. This is a simple cotton saree I picked. It was, all these were staying in my, like in India. because my trip was in March. I was supposed to bring them by March, but since it got cancelled, they were all waiting for me so long, and they finally reached like a month before, I think. Yeah, they just reached, so I'm just using all what and all that came in the package. So for today I wore a big jhumka. I know everyone will ask me, but this is a simple one to match, because I don't know whether you can see. This has matching dancing girls that matches with the Gola Bomma in this saree. So I picked it so that it can match the saree. So that's why I just left it with the earring alone, and I matched Jayashree's bangles. Bangles are my favorite. Like, I mean, my mom used to wear, so it's always my fun memory. Like in India, I used to have big stands up. I never had many earrings or necklaces, all those stuff, but I always been obsessed with that too. In India, I used to wear a lot of glass bangles. Here I don't have the privilege, like I don't have much, and these days I don't, what is it, like I don't have patience to those days. I didn't have much to do, so I can have like an entire row of. Who remembers, like we used to have the hanger. That's how we can do the bangles. So that's how it will be. Like I used to have all colors. Like I used to wear in both hands like almost a dozen. Hi Ekta, good morning. Thanks for hopping in. I know. Thanks for you are in India. Thank you for hopping on. So I used to have lot of bangles, and while in India, I don't know, I don't know what it is called. I think it's Rajasthani bangles or something. There used to be lot of work, and they used to sell in roadside, and they will have like all shades in different. The bangles in different shades. I used to have almost every shade possible. I used to have in different hangers, and even to office or everywhere, I used to wear bangles. So I used to be so obsessed. At least now I'm still be able to. I had a long break after my son was born, because I didn't, being in an apartment here, I completely forgot of doing anything. I wouldn't dress up, I wouldn't, yeah, yes, that kind of one. Like, I mean, because I think it might be 10 to 15 years, maybe 15, no, maybe, yeah, almost 13, I can say. 13 years are back. So I used to have, when I got married and all, I used to have every single color, and I used to have enjoy it wearing those to match my dress and all. And Jayashree made literally every single color of my silk thread bangles. So I slowly started using the bangles again. I'm still not a bracelet person, so I love bangles. That's because my mom used to wear. I think that is one of my childhood memory which is still resides and make me happy. So that's why I like to wear them like a lot in my hand. So and I just wore a single earring. That's all. So thank you for whoever hopped on. Enjoy your Friday, and happy holidays. And I'll be sending out, if you're still waiting on the package, I'll be sending out an update today, because even my package was still delayed from Senegence. But I hope, because I think it reached all the way to Mid Carolina. That means it came to Charlotte, but from Charlotte it's taking almost 4 days. I think it reached on 12th. Today is, I think it is 17th, maybe, I don't know, 16 or 17. It still did not move from the Charlotte location. So unfortunately, what to say, like it's nothing to do from Senegence end, nothing to do from my end. So I'm trying to just check with UPS, but as you know, we all are going to get the same answers, because they also couldn't handle the amount of packages that's coming. Hi Prabha, good morning. Thank you for hopping in. I think this is the first time you're hopping on my live. Thank you for being in the group now. So that's it. So please bear with me for the delays, but I'll make sure they reach on once everything settles down. And you all have a wonderful day. See you all soon.